Hello everyone, in this video I will show you Duolingo promo codes, right? And here I have mentioned the three discount code which you can use it, right? So let's get started here. So whenever you're just going to buy, so here if you just go to Google and look for Duolingo promo codes, right, you will see, and this is the authentic one. So this is only valid for October month when I'm just making this video, so you can get 50% off, right? So here are some of the promo codes you can apply. For example, Genshin Lingo, New You 1000, Thank You 100, right? So you can apply whichever discount is better for you. For example, let's say I just want to get 25% discount, Duolingo 25. You can try Duolingo 50 for 50% discount, right? Same goes here. You will get a lot of discounts, and this is really easy to get, right? There's a different website which provides you, and make sure whenever you're just watching this video after after 3 or 4 months when I made this video, you can just also write the month of the on in which month you are searching for it, right? So here you can get it, right? So these are the promo codes, and it's really works. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.